In today's digital age, the concept of copyright has evolved, drastically shaping the way we create, share, and consume content. The advantage of the internet has democratized access to information, but it has also posed significant challenge for regional creators trying to protect their works. Copyright is a legal framework designed to give creators exclusive rights to their works, but the rapid spread of digital content has blurred the lines of the ownership, making it harder than ever to navigate their landscape. Historically, copyright was a clear-cut legal concept ensuring that artists, authors, and innovators were compensated for their creation. However, as the internet emerged, it became increasingly easier to distribute and replicate content without proper authorization. This shift raised fundamental questions about the authorship and consent award, where digital copies can be made in instant and shared wisely across various platforms.
From music to art to literature, creators are frequently confronted with the dilemma of protecting their work while also wanting to share it with a larger audience. The rise of social media and streaming services has facilitated a new era of creative sharing but also led rampant copyright infringement. Artists often find their work used without their permission, often leading to disputes over ownership and profit.
One of the most significant challenges in this digital age is the phenomenon of user-generated content. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok allows users to create and remix content, often leading to situations where original creators' work are used in ways that may violate copyright. Many argue that this fosters creativity and innovation, while others insist that it undermines the original creator's right. The debate continues as legal systems struggle to keep pace with the rapid advancements in technology. Adding to the complexity is the concept of fair use, which allows limited use of copyright material without obtaining permission. Fair use is a doctrine that has been both a shield and sword in copyright discussion, as it enables commentary, criticism, news reporting techniques, and research that flourish. However, the boundaries of fair use remain murky, leading in confusion and fear among creators about whether their use of materials will result in legal repercussion.
As our technology continues to evolve, we also see the emergence of new tools designed to help creators protect their work.
Digital rights management, or DRM technologies, and blockchain solutions often innovate ways to secure. While these technologies may provide same level of protection, they also raise new ethical challenges and concern over accessibility and censorship. Moreover, the role of large tech companies in the copyright landscape cannot be overlooked. Platforms like Google, Facebook, and Amazon wield immense power over how content is distributed and monetized. Their policies and algorithms dictate that users see often leaving original creators at a disadvantage when fighting for visibility and compensation.
This imbalance prompts a critical conversation around the responsibility of these companies in safeguarding copyright while enabling creativity.
As we move forward, it is essential to strike a balance between protecting the rights of original creators and fostering an environment where innovation can thrive.
Through education, advocacy, and the revaluation of existing laws, we can work towards a future where copyright protects creators while still allowing the free flow of ideas and artistic expression in our interconnected world.